Hello, I am the letter Y uppercase, and now you're going to practice how to write me. But before, let's see. I'm the letter Y for yak. Great. Now, if you're ready, grab your pencil and go straight. That. Good. We're going to write a small V that stops on the dot line. Let's go. We slant down to the right and we go back up and we slant down to the left. Stop. Now we draw a straight line down. Great. Next, down to the right and down to the left and a straight line down. Perfect. Next, down, down, and a straight line. Great. Next, down, down, and a straight line. Great. Another one, down, down, and a straight line. Perfect. Now you know how to trace your letter Y uppercase. Grab your book and trace me more letter Y. See you. Bye-bye.